All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. We're going to do a sound test for these four foldable phones that you requested: the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, the new Moto Razr Fold 2026, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, and the OnePlus Open has to be in the mix. So I'm going to put the other microphone down. You're going to see a microphone on the top and bottom, so the speakers can be equally matched for each phone. Here we go.
Jwilliams. Receipts sitting on the last thing I wrote ya. Now I'm scrolling through the thread, hoping I get closer. Jwilliams and smartphone conversations. It's a digital romance, a new kind of sensation. Jwilliams and smartphone conversations. Oh, all these smartphone conversations. Jwilliams. Receipts sitting on the last thing I wrote ya. Now I'm scrolling through the thread, hoping I get closer. Jwilliams and smartphone conversations. It's a digital romance, a new kind of sensation. Jwilliams and smartphone conversations. Oh, all these smartphone conversations. Yeah, Jwilliams.
Don't want to debut that new song yet.
Jwilliams. Receipts sitting on the last thing I wrote ya. Now I'm scrolling through the thread, hoping I get closer. Jwilliams and smartphone conversations. It's a digital romance, a new kind of sensation. Jwilliams and smartphone conversations. Oh, all these smartphone conversations. Jwilliams. Receipts sitting on the last thing I wrote ya. Now I'm scrolling through the thread, hoping I get closer. Jwilliams and smartphone conversations. It's a digital romance, a new kind of sensation. Jwilliams and smartphone conversations. Oh, all these smartphone conversations.
Okay, I just had to pick up the mics. So listening to these real world, I wanted to put a mic on each side. So you got, I just have a case on my Fold 7. I wanted to put a mic on each side of the speakers on here so you can kind of see exactly, what these phones will sound like, because these all have stereo speakers. So right out the gate, now I don't know how you heard that on video, but you can see I cranked the volume all the way up on each one, had a mic on each side. Now listen to this in my office real time. The Fold 7 is dead last. At first I thought it was between these two, but then when the OnePlus kicked in, it's hard to tell the difference between these three phones right here. The 7 just wasn't as loud. They were all clear, but as far as like peak volume, I didn't want to use a decibel meter and all that kind of stuff. I just wanted to speaker test, here it is. So I think the Motorola Fold matches the Pixel and the OnePlus. I mean, the OnePlus is really loud, the Moto is really loud, and the Pixel is really loud. And again, the Fold 7 is loud. It just wasn't as loud and clear as the other three phones. So this was a video request. Somebody wanted to hear the speaker. Really, it's about the Motorola. It's what it's about. It's about the Motorola Fold, because people are interested in this phone. This is the latest one that they're buying. So, it's not about the other phones really, but it's more about how good is the speaker on this phone, and a lot of people want to know. So, my personal opinion, it matches these two phones right here because we all know the Pixel has very loud speakers, and the One Plus is just crazy loud and clear for audio. And you know what's so crazy? The Fold 7 is a loud phone. It's a clear, beautiful speaker. All these have great speakers, but these three definitely outshine the Fold 7 when it comes to when you put them side by side, I'll say. You're not, most of you guys won't have all these phones. And some of you guys will. Some of you ballers out there will have it. You phone enthusiasts, you tech enthusiasts, you will have it. But a lot of the average consumers won't, and they're gonna have just one of these, and it's gonna be a big it's gonna be a big payment for them. I'm not gonna say investment. It's gonna be a big chunk of money that they're kicking out, and they want the best speakers if they use speakerphone or whatever. So I tested the Moto Razr last night when I took a shower, and I have speakers throughout my entire house. And I tested out the Razer speakers last night by putting it on speakerphone while I showered after my evening workout, and I had the blower on in the bathroom, and I just had the shower running, and I put the phone at about 75%, and it actually sounded crystal clear across the bathroom. And I could hear it just fine. So those of you who wanted to know what the speaker quality was, yeah, that's it. It's definitely a loud set of speakers on here. There's one at the top, and then there's one at the bottom, and it's just one of those things that if you're that person who likes to not use Bluetooth and you just want to have your phone out or whatever, this might be a phone for you. The speakers are crystal clear, very loud. And other than that, a sneak peek, you guys are going to be, I'm getting ready to work on my 24-hour follow-up. But the speaker test, I don't know when I'm going to post this. But I'm going to tell you, the battery life is stupid on here. I'm still at 52% going on 24 hours later. That's all I have to say. Speaker test down. And there you have it. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.